Good evening, dear students. Now I want to discuss one JEE Advanced 2024 question. In the following reaction sequence, the major product P is formed. Here one alkyne and ester containing molecule given and some reagents provided. So P is formed. Glycerol reacts completely with the excess P in the presence of an acid catalyst to form Q. Reaction of Q with excess NaOH followed by the treatment with calcium chloride yields calcium soap R. Quantitatively, so that soap R is formed. Starting with 1 mole of Q, the amount of R produced in gram is. This is the question. So first we have to find out P. What is the structure of P? Okay. So now here alkyne given. This is alkyne. CH2 15 times COO C2H5 ethyl. Now here first reagent H2O, H3O plus means we can write H2O, comma H plus. H3O plus means, how can we write H3O plus means H2O, comma H plus, Hg2 plus, that is Hg2 plus mercuric solvent. So HgSO4 that is. And simply this follows Markovnikov's rule. Which mechanism it follows? Markovnikov's rule. So water, comma H plus. In the presence of mercury 2 plus, it follows Markovnikov's rule. That means from water, here main reagent is water. From this negative part added to internal carbon and positive part is added to terminal carbon. This is Markovnikov's rule. You can break in triple bond, you can break one pi bond, you can add like. So then here you will get CH2, it will become double bond, here OH and single bond CH2 15 times COO ethyl. Then this enol tautomer to give ketone. This enol tautomer to give internal enol. Na? This is tautomer to give ketone. So CH3, C double bond O, CH2 15 times COO ET. This is the molecule. This is the first reagent. Now coming to second reagent. Zinc amalgam concentrated HCl. Second reagent, zinc amalgam concentrated HCl. What is the use of this one? This is Clemmensen reagent. Presence of Clemmensen reagent, this ketone reduced to alkane. Means simply this C double bond O group reduced to methylene group. Then we can write CH3, that will turn into CH2. Now CH2 15 times and COOET. So of course this ester not affected by Clemmensen reagent. Only ketone reduced to methylene means alkane. This is Clemmensen reduction. Now third reagent is acidification, acidic hydrolysis. Okay, third one is acidic hydrolysis. So H3O plus followed by heating. This is the third reagent. Clear? This is the third reagent. So now this ester hydrolyzed to give. So here hydrolyzed to give carboxylic acid and ethyl alcohol. Carboxylic acid, ethyl alcohol. Then CH3 and CH2 16 times we can write. Then C double bond O OH. So here CH2 is there, CH2 and CH2 15 times we can write CH2 16 times. And this is stearic acid. What is its name? Stearic acid. Carboxylic acid, stearic acid is formed. You know this stearic acid is called which one? P. This is the compound P. Understood? C17H35 COOH stearic acid. This is P. Now coming to question. Glycerol reacts completely with excess P in the presence of an acid catalyst to form Q. So now we can write this stearic acid react with the glycerol. So glycerol react with excess P, means excess 3 moles of stearic acid needed. So now glycerol, so CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH, this is glycerol. This glycerol reacts with 3 moles stearic acid CH3, CH2, 16 times COOH. Okay, COOH. 3 moles, excess means 3 moles. Then here, which compound is formed? This is, P. This is P, excess. Glycerol react with excess moles of P. Then CH2O. Now this compound is formed CH2 16 times CH3. C double bond O, CH2 16 times CH3. C double bond O, CH2 16 times CH3. So this compound is formed. This triester of glycerol. This is a triester of glycerol. So this is compound Q. This is compound Q. This reaction takes place presence of acid. Presence of acid. So in the presence of acid catalyst to form Q. This is triester of glycerol. This is Q. Understood? This is Q. Now next one. When this Q reacts with the excess NaOH. So now when it is react with excess NaOH, now excess NaOH means you can take 3 moles NaOH, 3 moles NaOH. So you can break like 3 moles NaOH. Then which compound is formed? Glycerol, which is formed again glycerol. Okay, glycerol plus 3 moles of CH3, CH2 16 times, COO minus Na plus, means sodium stearate. Sodium stearate. This is nothing but soap. This is nothing but soap. Sodium soap. Soap is formed. Okay. When it is treated with the excess NaOH, then soap is formed. Then followed by treatment with calcium chloride, calcium soap R is formed. Calcium soap R is formed, and followed by treatment with which one? Calcium chloride. Now, when it is react with particularly this one, when it is react with calcium chloride, then which is formed? Calcium soap is formed. Then calcium divalent. But when you are coming to this one, sodium monovalent. So now how can we write here? CH3 CH2 16 times COO. Here we can write twice. So 3 by 2 of this twice calcium. If we write like, then this is balanced actually. So calcium, this is the divalent. Now that's why this sodium stearate moles we have to take 2 moles. Okay. So here you can take off. Just you can imagine this one. Here 3 by 2 into 2 acetate ions. Now of acetate ions, of 2 moles acetate ions, 2 cancel, then finally you are getting 3 acetate. Understood? Here 3 acetate ions. Then it is balanced like. Clear? So how can we balance? Of acetate, of diacetate means that 2, this of cancel, then 3 acetate ions. So here 3 acetate ions, here also 3 acetate ions, like balanced. Understood? And calcium divalent 2 plus 2 acetate ions, that is also balanced. Understood? So this is the final calcium soap. What is this? Calcium soap. Now this is nothing but R. This is nothing but R. Understood? This is nothing but R. Clear everyone? So this is nothing but R. So I hope everyone understood this one. This is the sequence. This is the sequence. Clear everyone? So now coming to one's question. What is the question? Starting with one molecule, the amount of R produced in gram is starting 1 mole of Q. So here 1 mole Q, of course this is 1 mole only. This is 1 mole only. For 1 mole Q and the amount of R means how much calcium soap is formed? 1 mole Q. So now this is 1 mole only, 1 mole Q. So now 1 mole Q, then calcium soap means R, product R, how many moles formed? 3/2 mole. 3/2 mole calcium soap formed. Calcium soap is formed. Then this calcium soap, it's gram molecular weight. The calcium soap, it's gram molecular weight. You can find out this one. This calcium soap, it's a gram molecular weight. 606 grams. Understood everyone? 606 grams. Then for 1 mole Q, how much amount is formed in grams? Now 3/2 mole into this calcium soap. Its gram molecular weight 606 gram per mole. Now you can simplify, then you will get how much amount? So 2 how many times cancel? 2, 303 times cancel. Now 3 into 303 how much? 909 grams. Understood everyone? 909 grams. This is the amount of calcium soap is formed. That is nothing but R. Calcium soap means here R. So what is the answer here? 909 grams, 909 grams calcium soap is formed. This much of amount is formed in this reaction per 1 mole of Q. 1 mole of Q. So understood everyone? What is the final answer? 909 grams. Clear everyone? So this is the answer. So I hope everyone understood this solution. Clear? Thank you. Thank you so much.